Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can configure your connected apps on Claude AI. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. So if you wish to block or even allow some features on your connected apps or tools on Claude, it's pretty simple. Go ahead and log into your Claude account, and once you're logged in, go to your members account or your profile icon here, then choose settings. From settings, go ahead and look for connectors, and if you tap on this, now you can see we have various apps that are already connected and we need to go ahead and configure them. For instance, I'll go to click up here that is connected to my account. Now once you have opened your app, there is a lot of things we can configure here. For instance, we have options to configure filter tasks, find members by name, and the list is long. So you can choose one of the items. For instance, if I choose filter tasks, I can go ahead and select any. For instance, if I select this, I can go ahead and tap down here and I can choose any of these options. If I go to need for approval, those that will need approval, I can go ahead and change this to always allow approval, need approval, or block, or even to custom as you wish. So that's how you can configure your apps or tools or connectors on Claude AI. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.